Hi Zoosheets, I'm Kitty from Zooshii and I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon snake from Animal Jam done in a Zooshii style. So this was a fan request, so let's get started. So first up what we do is we draw a slightly angled oval. And then we just draw another slightly angled oval, slightly bigger, and just below that first one. And then again another oval just out the back of the first two, just like that. And these are just guide ones, so we're just going to go back through now and just mold up these ovals into our snake shape. So we just take flatten the line up across the top there, then another little flattened line there, and then bring that down. And then just curve that off at the bottom there. And then in amongst this oval, we just add another little oval there. And bring that line down and around like that, and then up. Just so it's almost like a tiny teardrop shape in the middle there. And then at the back here, we bring that line around. Just curve it up into a spiral shape there, and then we're just going to thicken that tail up, so just bring a line up from that second oval there. So just make sure we're getting our thickness correct. So we'll bring the lines all the way around from that second oval there, and just bring it up and keep bringing it around till it joins that first point there. Then for the rest of the head, we just bring that line, curve it down, bring it straighter along the side there, then straighten it up along the front, and then curve it up into there. And then we just bring that line down from that point down to the bottom of that oval there. And then we just fix up the front of the snake's tummy by adding that line in there. Then for the eye, we draw a big old oval there with another little oval inside for highlight. And then for the tongue, we just take a curved line out and up, and then we just make a little triangle cut in there, and then bring that line back down and then back across into the snake's mouth like that. Then what we do is we just take another line just out from that one there and bring it up and around, and then we just follow that up and around to that side. And then again here we just add another line just on the inside like that. Then we just add a few lines across just to show the texture, and then a few lines there as well, and then a few lines on this point and a few lines there. And then we're just going to do the triangle shapes on the skin, so we just add a triangle there and just a slightly rounded triangle there, another slightly rounded triangle there, again on this side and this side. And actually I'm just going to flatten that off a bit and take it into a point, and then a triangle there, a triangle there, bigger triangle on that side, triangle that side, that side, that side, and that side. Then what we do is we just grab our black pens and go back in and ink in the pencil lines. And then we just go back in and double up the thickness of the main parts of the illustration just to make it look even more cartoony. Then we just wait for the ink to dry. Then we just go back in and rub out the pencil lines. So there you have it, a cartoon snake from Animal Jam done in a zooshii style. Happy drawing!